Oh, Nyamiadum. Ellen Road. It is soon nearby, but yeah, fine.
Okay.
Yeah, fine. Which bounce is
I don't pay. Yes, oh share your numbers.
I'm a fraud job.
Maybe. Oh, your numbers. Yes.
See me, I'm a home. See me, I'll go away.
Or form.
Aye.
And reporters are not too good abonting. So, Mamma report. No, almost the ama numbers in what form. Just for do Duana hospital. Duana.
That's a football fans. Yes, show
you didn't almost.
Oh, football fans. Yes, show moment time shows. The Barca full lose or moment time.
I know correct. Now no more show me 3.
Oh mama.
Barca for you.
Oh my Chelsea Volqua. Chelsea Volqua.
Arsenal ball 1-1. Arsenal for me.
Oh mama. Arsenal 1-1 say do me remember.
Mo kwaje 3-1. Say yes we be hospital bia why ma.
Another Everton she would am ni pe twa hwe e okro.
OPD honi na.
O do say OPD emergency na Man United football.
Yes honi na ya ma. Obe share Chelsea ni bia na ni akeka kom ene na ni asa ho no. Adey.
Adumare di o Richardo.
Na kofunim. Yeah, production meeting na me catch am say da no to nyum bia so nyum bi na me de. Nti to nyum na nka en fans.
Na say una yo de to pija me.
Me say nyum na mtoy.
Yeah, nyum ne say na agreement man to ni.
To asoro nyum ne en fans start program.
Jometo nyum.
To na en fans start.
O mum to ji permission on no my clean e na bo. Say be yen copyright.
O de nye me mpe de no akasa boy.
O be do akọ.
Me pe o version.
Me rendition no. Pija me ne enko.
Me say me nim kro. Da no to na me refi.
No retire Jatabru adom kiki any Jometo na boy. Jatabru. So look you.
Ready
you not to get a blue I would it Leicester.
Kabna me wie. Tete Leicester. Me wie.
Na lisi no ete na to the Leicester. Any ko ni gesi dia na we.
Me catch them. Say just na me gese no mun ti ase. Prim sa no pay. Me wana cha ai Manchester fans no. Manchester United fans. On friend Richardo. Yeni an e cast ya suspend o. He said you are welcome back.
Say.
How much me? My ye jumani neat.
Ale dru na go ya.
Say just na me won't ase.
Say.
Nko anam nim.
Yeah, okay.
Say na unim di tu akira nko anfa ma me.
Good fellow catch them in
me
good fellow ga say yeme
o ko he bonsam no ahuna ushia me ne bonsam mo me dimani papa enra
na say no operate correct coach na
tetelesta me wie hey ene West Ham on pekro mu 18 and fa me ho ya Chelsea 3-1
you know I say.
O say any.
And you know say Chelsea 3-1.
I mean league na me but mini Chelsea na bo. Enti Chelsea nya to form say Kim. Na me ho atome.
You know what you have to do a professional against.
And no me ma correct score 3-1. Prophetic. And you be Chelsea for no in your dreams.
Sir?
Hey.
Your boy is not in that.
Fina mbubu me mo Chelsea for. Mr. Single-handedly metete moi. Now no me swale ya. Yesi Chelsea a G12 bia na say me. Chelsea team we. Me sit me den kakran me good team no. Me na me kaja. Kakran say me good Chelsea. Na ba na say 3-1 e ba say oh Madrid game no grade. Na Madrid so say be ba o nye news. Ye Chelsea.
Leeds you want to say Leeds say Chelsea nye news.
Who say nye news?
Who na say nye news? Na kai.
Ene ma no na fumo yi.
Wa no fumo. Ma me nyema djuma.
Leeds. Oh yen skip it ayi dia no. Yen skip Real Madrid dia no.
Agro ni riba of him no Russia.
O ka me Chelsea dia no. Yen fan.
Why? Chelsea dia no Sabeka. We be feliz we say be feliz.
Okay.
Yeah. And Russia Madrid match ni.
Not me interesting.
Which?
If you ask where you know, ADD are they?
ADD. Maybe
They be watching. Me say more coffee in a man na.
Which? You see, me can the last time say between Vinicius Junior and Xabi Alonso, both of them, if Madrid doesn't succeed this season, either at least one of them will not see at most 2 seasons from now. And it's very, very clear. Which and now Madrid look for the very first time a team that look very, very united. And from everywhere, Trent Alexander-Arnold impact in the game, Alvaro Carreras, even the leadership that Abrante and Antonio Rudiger brought on. And another match was so important to Football Club Real Madrid. Say they needed to win. They needed to find ways in winning another match. Why do I say so? Because Barca would have peeled away from them. And Barca would have gotten the win that they had always wanted to get in terms of points gap between Omo and its team friend the Football Club Real Madrid. But the fact that they were able to go into this one and get a win has been good. And so after the Clásico, Champions League game, Omba against Vallecano, Omba against Elche, winning against Olympiacos, the games that they had played in the Spanish La Liga, Madrid were not getting the maximum points that they had to go and get. But in Ronaldo, they had to step up. And I like this assist. You see, when Madrid were buying a branch of friend Trent Alexander-Arnold, they knew that he may not get the work rate, the tenacity, even the sheer heart branch of friend Dani Carvajal Kita as a fullback. But what he added to the team, the creative ability from wide areas. The fact that he in Trent said, which Obiti said Mohamed Salah, Saitama Liverpool, he could always drop centrally, pin a ball into the path of Mohamed Salah, attack the space, and make sure to go about my team, my friend, Football Club Liverpool. And now, same thing happened between Abrante friend Trent Alexander-Arnold and Abrante friend Kylian Mbappe, which should be Abrante friend Trent Alexander-Arnold. Being closed down by the Bilbao players, switch diagonal ball into the path of Abrante friend Kylian Mbappe, and of course, that goal was in there. Again, a very, very good one. Now, Fiifi and Tuata, the another abductor injury worrying Abrante friend Trent Alexander-Arnold. Now, he couldn't finish the game. What it means is that Kylian Mbappe, in 63 games, was 62 goals, 23 games, 30 goals, 6 assists. Only Erling Haaland, one the main killer man.
Mbappe from new.
Thibaut Courtois say he's the best striker in the world. The only person that comes close is Erling Haaland. And I think that you can choose either of the two players, but of course both of them are at the very top. What it means is that Madrid are just 1 point within of Team FM Football Club Barcelona. And it was the only game in the Spanish La Liga, then English Premier League, which English Premier League, you know, anybody who is experienced in the job, whether as a player, as a pundit, a coach, or what have you, in terms of the football ecosystem, anybody that will tell you that, you know what, you can't quickly say that you even be in the top 4 by December unless you've gone through, you can't say the curve, you know, December, January, February, March, April, thereabouts now. That is where you can really know, okay, you've navigated it. And then there was clear-cut example. Forget about Arsenal, forget about Chelsea for a minute, and even Liverpool. But then, have you seen the rise of team friend Aston Villa?
Yeah.
And Unai Emery? Which, when the series started, for about 2 or 3 games, not Aston Villa for no ain't go cry. But for the last 5 games, back to back, Unai Emery has gotten his machine well oiled and started firing. And now they were down by 2-0. Away or Brighton. They ended up doing a comeback and getting a final goal from a branch of friend Amadou Onana. Excellent display. Which Arsenal for are getting a lot of injuries.
And open can be baby sakra say Arsenal no, is it almost training no? And are you too difficult for the players or because Arsenal players don't prepare? especially with omo back four.
Yeah.
Omo play too much. And as Mosquera and Suprai.
I have not looked at the data, but from football nation, we know that Arsenal for a team or organization is solid. It is a Obano Baby Evans or Bokona kick. That's a Bukema. One day, Bukayo Saka money at the Adin now will run back. I will not be surprised that there's probably some muscle stress and accumulated fatigue because consistently these players are well drilled. That's why we back into the shape.
So it means that I'm no training.
Yes, of course.
Because the back park and so they are no training.
Exactly. Anti-American, but you do more even on the foot of plenty training and over here, so it does affect them. Which
then I advise them on kakra because on the season afena APK. So players now me key. Essence is almost a prepare. It will affect your season.
It will. But
omo flexible kakra.
You see, how many centre backs do Arsenal have? Ben White essentially is a centre back. Mosquera, Henkepi, Saliba, Magaesh, Calafiori can play as a centre back. Julian Timber can play as a centre back. Essentially, everybody in the Arsenal backline can play as a centre back. So I think that there will be a big problem for Arsenal. They can rise 6 now with Prano. Especially now that they don't have a certain Thomas Partey to also come and play there. So Zubimendi, Rice, Eze, Odegaard, these are the midfield band. Now Declan Rice is gone. He was the box-to-box guy. And now Pry. So if he's out for me, that's where the big worry is. And there's so much. But the reason why I think Arsenal will not be hurt by these injuries is that I think the Arsenal team has been built to always find solutions, even in the midst of adversity. And Mikel Arteta is smart with that. So watch the Arsenal team now. Almost every player be over every position is versatile. In the last few days, we've been talking about the force number 9 or roaming force number 9, number 6, number 8, Mikel Merino.
This
is the number 8. Oh yeah, number 6. Yeah, from the growth, Sociedad, Newcastle, what have you. But he's playing as a force number 9 in absence of the centre forwards in the game. And for me, just before you come in, a lot of credit first to the Arsenal recruitment and Mikel Arteta. Because Mikel person is at this side of the studio. When we were going to buy Mikel Merino, I told you that he is going to be an excellent addition in terms of hold up and outlets. Because of our physique, you know. And he is a versatile player. Share the game against Chelsea. Before they go to equalizer, they were struggling. Or didn't told you and not dropping Merino to come and play like as an 8. Now Merino's late box runs even though Jokeres was at the field of play. So that's an excellent purchase from them.
Excellent.
And he is delivering.
The vision of the game top notch. Top.
He's even with the Spanish national team goals. He'll give you goals.
Important goals.
Yeah, very, very important.
It's either send a goal near Tika.
Yeah.
And now Emma winning.
Yeah.
And the anticipation say, okay, boy and Branty Debe, and now Minian Debano.
Yeah.
Semi Jinaha. Born about meeting me.
Yeah. And then
good.
And then aerial ability, and a tactical board.
Super.
And then aerial ability.
Super good. They also had the born man see from now. A tornado, I mean,
the
camera, no.
Yeah.
Super player.
And then aerial ability, you know, it makes him stand out. And for me, say, build this squad, Rich. The most important thing is about the versatility of the players in the squad. For me, that's what makes a lot of difference because injuries are part of the game. Man City are about 5-6, Chelsea 5-6. Teams need paper. Man United, what have you? So one player to need 2-3 positions. One player to need 2-3 positions. It makes a lot of difference. The versatility of the Arsenal squad for me insulates them and it doesn't put them in a panic area. So January and Koto centre backs. It put them at a place where I think that they are going to be fine even going forward. And now say 30 goals and assists in 2025 for our branch friend Mikel Merino.
On your out and striker.
What a striker! What a player! And now because Saka at the bench, free bench by Arsenal needed to firm it up against Brentford. Me say Arsenal win the league this season. The way they are beating the London clubs. Last season, Arsenal were dropping points against these teams. But 1-0, because Saka about 88 minutes finishes the job on him, and Arsenal gets the maximum point. Like you said, a lot of injuries from Arsenal for of course we've spoken about team friend Aston Villa and then the drama that unfolded and a lot of good for team my friend my brother friend Unai Emery and the job that he has done. Which on the back of squad versatility and no na ade ba ko Chelsea ni. You see sometimes I go on to check who be say Argentina fee you say that Chelsea cannot win the league. Or you because but see as Barca you need us about draw 10 man. Every day, and then the Jack Chelsea, if Chelsea doesn't reproduce the same intensity against Leeds, you think that is one of those games. They will beat you. Which, Adebaku at Chelsea squad, Amy is the versatility at centre back and defense.
Only versatile.
Which, who do you pass?
Not more to the moon.
Who do you me people
have
have
no network.
Me catch and not say me see me baba catch.
Someone was a science and data and the two players. Na me busa one or cover versatile sama ba. Na busa say na on science and data na nchemo.
Me say me ba.
Ah okay. Yanko.
Me na say. Several times any Chelsea team that is without at the back without Wesley Fofana any level call. At least one of them in the team is susceptible to everything. Who say no na Jebo game you as Chelsea fans we have made it only a tossing at the problem. Because see anybody in ball match and the catcher say I don't think Chelsea lost the game because of inexperience. Now why do I say so? Uche goes here consider anima when you play tossing at the back tossing over but on your aggressive when you dwells aerial duels on your aggressive room and on like pace although he is good on the ball it some person team constrict say no counter pressing you ready more Tosin can't do that for you because only pace is always at the back.
On the was
so that was ready.
On was what brand you o Chameleon that boy you know and you brand you na ofri full and buy no free agent me boy ube yi ni videos bi na Richardo ya to defender
Minka Sancho that Minka jo say na okay
no me ba okay mo de toss ni ba no
yeah
okay so be in the videos
yeah
okay so ma ka fa no
but does he
is a complete defender
complete bacho obi enu e complete football
me ya man kan ni me ba me ya na me say issue be pop up Kameko ko yisa of voice in the
actual. Obi no complete pacho. Tosin has his weaknesses. Uko
but they share obeka the same thing. So mu no matter.
Na but I still stand by.
Robert Sanchez he was san.
On side.
Nko na so go that the
but obi ehu. Na obi ehu data na
da. O science and data be na o do players me.
Dem na me say Nhyira the data that came na me dey buy na.
Same thing like in face of we pam we.
Material yoshi.
Afeni me hu ade gunti agi.
Yawa na.
E je for confess for mu pamo akoyi ogina hu. The data nye. Coach mi di. O ha no so akoyi data o de ma mi nye. Ana mu pamo.
O material.
Bia na o de ma Chelsea fu.
Material yoshi.
To sini full am ba. Wa akoyi a ogina hu. O be kan so to sina ati for me sama mu de asama mi kan. Sama bo amu de mo me kan mu de munyi sai bia. Me ya bias. No one ever can.
Man can't just say complete that.
Not but you can say.
You see, again, a very important say we emphasize on what we do over here. Oma me kasana. Awa mi kasada.
Rade yankopon. Kofi yanko 3-1 yanko.
Mami nti dem so there. Respectfully jam na me kasa me.
Sorry.
At time no say me time.
Sorry.
Every player be on his strengths and in his weaknesses.
Okay.
And every day when I speak here, say, oh, you need strength. I say that this is a strength, we in a weakness, and that's clear.
Okay.
Tosin's weakness was clear now, and I've said it several times. He started season in Beckham and say one of the big issues with Chelsea team made the depth at centre back. And now Enzo Maresca knew say, ABS will try Wesley Fofana. All team will resume Samachi. Over Wesley Fofana, BMA, they are going to be those issues again. So there is no need to go and play them. But of course, manage the game. My problem is that in this game, because of Tosin attributing, there was no point to play him. It should have been a bit say Joshua Kofi a champion playing in this match.
Okay.
because Osha born at Chelsea boy Nana. I don't think say it's about fatigue from the Arsenal and Barcelona game. Because most of the team they were substituted, they were changed to go out to the field of play to go and play. My big problem was the fact that they said only Moises Caicedo. Now we got Andre Santos as a lone sixer. You are exposing the back line. And then you need to play a much more aggressive centre back. Again, Obi Osheboni Biano will see say on our right hand side, hold on no. Abrante's friend Esteval Willian was struggling against Abrante's friend Goodmanson. And it was clear. Why? Because only fullbacker Obabi overlapping runs or even underlapping runs for him to come and get the space. Enzo Maresca got those ones wrong. For me, the very first one is from Enzo Maresca. Right back, Yakobo and Trevor Chalobah was wrong. Why didn't he play Abrante's friend Malo Gusto? And these are some of the things that Chelsea will learn from. Some things like this, no. Although those squad, you learn from it, you grow, and then of course, you say season now, if they do how you can really compete, so these things will come up. Goodmanson and now tossing 1v1 in his draws was very, very bad. El Honum completely very, very bad there at the office. And I think say they need to make sure they do better going forward. And now Liverpool first struggled in a 1-1 draw. Florian Wirtz thought say when the only goal.
You know, there's always a Chelsea discussion in Tempo.
So sorry.
Oh, means a message being a one.
I can't. So there's all kind of many problem. Kind.
AJ Ministries or something kind show.
AJ Ministries.
He even said he's one of the best centre backs in the modern day football. Now, so see what he's saying today.
AJ Ministries say me make us actually. No, the Ministries I can't carry deal. Now saying another thing.
If you know, we are in it.
Senior, me say me casa ada. Now the most woman
say tossing a banner. Me kind some power kind.
Me and you know correct. I have call me YouTube. I that's those videos are always published. They're there.
And Tina, ya say na me issue about copy. Say na me man can me say can me video.
And you know correct. But they are silly. All of you in this house, and even not just this house, told me that me catch you me general, but I stood by it. But I see the me, I don't change me when I stand by what I see. Maka, I didn't say that about Tosin. And money only ministries if you do. And then AJ ministries. Onka on crowds and the ministries back out with
Takashi ni jai.
And yet Takashi Hashem.
Only a show over CBM. Yes, I saw the Takashi for man.
Oh, sorry. I'm okay, fine. No problem. Oh, yeah, now we. And we'll be trying to the ministries. I can't. I mean, like I say, you know, correct. I don't try to the ministries.
Maybe Mama 2 days of Cotenefi. I don't want to put myself in your shoes.
We have made that fault. Oh, the baby. You don't put myself in my shoes.
Spend over 1 billion. Maybe spend over 1
No,
billion.
yes, but
and pay us a shower. One pa.
Oh, but and yes, I did one pa. Me ba my cousin in India. I say, you tell me. And then one pa. You know, penny. Utu ni ani.
And no boy. And
what's it?
A production ho.
What's it?
Your match is now can you be show bia.
I don't know.
You could Shelley's. You be call someone Napoli.
Bournemouth.
Bergamo.
You are call Atlanta.
Champions League.
Atlanta, yeah.
Atlanta, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Someone ko show mo. Leeds Richardo catch him say any game e some of them first 11 kobo.
O si Leeds in this area.
David. And open busa and onu say inchiche musa.
Or football fan.
If you mama 2 days of Falco Tenefi.
Many 2 days of yeah,
when you seen now.
I know crave asa.
So what to do?
So my family could into that. Hey, at least United said that when you had to say.
When you said this one, you enjoy me Kakrampe.
I said the whole of November. The whole of November.
This man multimedia enjoy me Kakram okay.
My body code. It's me. Me Thursday booking code and my available. I made 2 hours on my show. So bar. Either so be taking screenshots on Nhyira TV on YouTube, and also bit my for pen or paper. Don't try. First one, BW265C EDD3. Second one, BW265C DBDA. Third one, BW265A0977. Fourth one, BW26599AFF. And the last one, BW26596859. Rich, I'm two greens and my boys and
I say them I quit to beat me. Why? Bismarck Usu Bempire or not. the team ɛbɔ ball papa